Stepped out.
With a need to enhance justice and improve on service delivery, judges and magistrates at different levels are undergoing a two-day training on rules and practice elections. The training, organized by the Judicial Training Institute, was officiated by the Principal Judge Dr. Flavian Zeija.
There has been a problem with these rules, as you will notice, especially when it comes to summons for directions. Some people, you have seen people even requesting for submissions that very protracted hearings, others. So there has been a kind of like miscoordination on how these are supposed to be applied. We hope that out of this training, we should have one harmonious position. Therefore, the rules and practice directions that you will be trained during this workshop range from the year 2016-2022. As judiciary, our wish is time to train judicial officers and stakeholders in any new rules, in any new court rules and practice directions that are passed. However, this is not always possible owing mostly to financial constraints. I'm glad that resources have been mobilized to conduct this training.
Zeija expressed the need to increase the Judicial Training Institute budget to help in training judicial officers as one of its laws.
I've always advocated that we should have a permanent budget for Judicial Training Institute. In other words, that from January to December, we know the schedule so that the judicial officers can integrate it into their own schedules. Because ordinarily we affect the court business when we do this. We shall try again. What I want is that the Judicial Training Institute should have a permanent budget. Even those who support us, for example, should indicate high enough the months when they will bring their resources forth, because we have partnerships like the URA with the Bankers Association, those who come in to help. So that we, from January to December, we know our program. Yeah, but we shall achieve that, I'm sure. It's a question of time.
Damairanga is the Executive Director, Judicial Training Institute.
The main objective of this workshop is to empower and enhance the judicial officers' knowledge and skills in applying the new rules and practice directions while administering justice, because it's important to unpack and have a deep understanding and appreciation of these rules and directions in order to implement them and enhance justice, access to justice to the people from whom we derive judicial power.
Prosecutor Shabe, Registrar in charge of Judicial Training Institute, highlighted some of the key topics to be tackled during that training, among others the issue of bail.
We're taking them through what does the surety do, what do you require to bring, and key to note is that if you come and stand for somebody in court as a surety, you should ensure that that person keeps coming to court. In case the person has any challenge, you should come and inform court. But if this person doesn't come, the surety doesn't come, what happens is that we issue criminal summons. And if the person does not come, we issue a warrant of arrest and arrest the accused person or the surety, depending on who has not come.
It's against this backdrop that the Principal Judge Dr. Flavian Zeija urged the judicial officers to be keen when it comes to granting bail to offenders. Among the facilitators of the training was Lady Justice Jenny Okuokajuga, who highlighted to the attendees some of the requirements when it comes to granting bail. Deborah Namamonde, Viola Nance Subuga, UBC News.